Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. So in this lecture now we are going to discuss about how CSV file format which is being used to create future generation. So that is the title of the discussion. It is a practical relevant one. I mean CSV to future generation. So it normally it uses to create a new future, that is geodectic point features which is constructed based on the values of x coordinate and y coordinate. Normally we used to tell that this is a latitude and longitude. You have to type the latitude and longitude in the Excel worksheet and save as CSV format save as CSV format. And then in this now what we are going to do is once if you save the CSV format and import the CSV format into GIS format, construct the future class using using XY data. This is how we do. Once if we do that, open the GIS, this window will come, and then you have to now importing the CSV file, and then you are now going to convert by using the what is that, by using the CSV files. Right, this is the Excel file which we have typed, taken the data from. This is the locations, and this is the latitude details, and this is the longitude details. And these details now we are typing in Excel. This is Excel sheet, and this informations now we are bringing into our GIS import. And this is in degree decimal. Normally we one minute. I'll just tell you that how to convert this. Normally we have degree minute second, and you see I'll just write it. Normally we used to do it. This is degree minutes second DMS, and this has to be converted into degree decimal DD. Okay, degree decimal. How we are converting this is degree which we keep it as such without any change in plus minutes divided by 60. Every minute is divided 60 seconds, and every second is by 3600. Yeah, this is how we convert whatever the data we get from our GPS. We have to convert like this, and then this information we have to type it in the Excel file. So after converting all the information from your GPS, I have typed here, and these are all the typed informations, and then import this is CSV format. Now we have to do it, save it in the worksheet, Excel worksheet as CSV format. Very important, because this is very easy. This is very easy to do it, to bring all the information. Otherwise, it will be very tedious work in ArcGIS. So this you just save it as a CSV format and give OK. And then here, after already we have saved, that's why I have cancelled. And I am now opening the CSV data. I am adding the data. I have kept CSV. That is, you see the extension of the file is CSV. Once if I am exporting, it is coming as a table format. I can see it by open attribute table. Now you see that whatever the data which you have typed in Excel, this is hardly 20 data. Suppose if you have 200 or 2000 data, it will be very easy only over there, not here. Display XY data that you can do. Take the longitude and latitude, and just give edit, and you have to now follow the system, and you see the coordinate system, and if the system coordinate system is fixed, then that there is no issue. You see, it is now all your informations are displayed as ESV points, ESV data points, right? You see stations are there, open attribute table. Now you see the data, whatever display if you give, this becomes a shapefile, right? Once if the shapefile comes, you have to add your polygon file to see that whether these locations are exactly correct with your study area. Actually, this we have done it for one PhD work. I am just taking it out from my research student. He did his work on this by collecting the GPS data and then converting the GPS data and bringing into CSV file, right? So now, I mean the polygon file is enclosed the polygon state. Now I have to convert this shape file. I have to convert this open attribute table. This file I have to convert into what is that location shape file and display data, and I'm just giving lat long details, and the projection is different, that's why it's not matching. Now you have to take WGS84, UTM you have to take sorry world WGS84 and give OK. You see now all the points are there within your study area. So projection system should be uniform in both the cases. Now you look at that all the informations of a CSV file is there within the station, and now you can convert this database to you can also identify, you can click the identification is coming, and similarly you can check whether all your data are correct, and you have to export the data as shape file and then save it. Now I am exporting as a location .sketchp. It will ask you, do you want to add the file? Yes, you add the file, and for the old file CSV file you remove, and then check now all your information it is in the form of shapefile 0.5 within the study area. And you can also label because already all these informations are there. You can check that all the village your field investigation is exactly correct, you have moved to all these places and all. So with this what is that CSV format to CSV format to future class created is come to an end.